In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 10 things I've learned over the 15 years I've been on YouTube. My name is Rob G, and welcome back to another video. The reason why I want to share this information with you is because if you're just starting out here, or you've been on YouTube for quite a few years, or however long you've been here, maybe some of the things that I'm going to share in this video is going to help you out, and maybe it's going to fix some of the problems that you've been having over the years. I had a lot of issues with learning YouTube and doing this and doing that, so I thought I'd put this video together to help you guys out and hope this information will be beneficial to you. The first thing I want to do is you have to be passionate about creating content. If you're a YouTuber, I think every YouTuber has a special gift in creating content, because let's face it, not everybody can do it. Not everybody can talk to a camera. Not everybody can put videos. Not everybody can even put themselves out there on the internet for the whole world to see. So this is something I think every content creator has a gift in creating content. If you don't have that passion, it's going to be really hard for you to create videos. It's going to be hard for you to show up each and every day to create your videos and post your videos here on YouTube. So this is something that I think you really have to sit down and see if you have it. If you have that special drive where you eat, think, and everything about YouTube, then you probably got that passion that's inside you. That's the first thing. The second thing is stop listening to all the experts here on YouTube, because not everybody cares about how good your channel does. A lot of times, if you're getting information out here, is because people just want to get views on their videos and want to get more subscribers. So do they really have your interest at heart and want to see your channel successful? You have to pick a few people that you really care about the content and the information that they're providing for you, and follow those particular people to get the best information to help build your YouTube channel and create some really awesome videos. I have a few people that I follow here on this platform, and these are probably the only people that I really kind of listen to. And I know that the kind of information that they're giving you, you can tell that they really want to help you, because they really don't ask nothing in return. So that's how I know that these are the kind of people that you want to follow here on YouTube. The next thing is always provide value. And I cannot stress this enough, because providing value in your videos is probably the key to being successful here on YouTube, because people come to your YouTube channel because they want to get information. They want to find different things that they want to learn, right? So they come to you and they look at your videos and they want to get that information that's in your videos. So each and every time you put value in your videos, it's going to help people and going to want people to subscribe and watch your videos. So try to find something that you're really passionate about and be good at that, and add that to your videos each and every time you upload your videos. And I guarantee that your videos are going to do a lot better, because people are going to come to your channel for information that they want. So value is definitely something that you need and you have to add in your videos, right? The next thing is ask yourself, why do you want to make videos? What's your reason that you come here to YouTube? What's the reason why you created a YouTube channel? Is it because you just want to watch other people's videos? Is that the reason why you came here? Or do you have something special that you want to share with people here on this platform? You have to ask yourself this, because you have to find a particular audience that you're interested in, and you want to share certain things with these people. And this is something that you have to know. And a lot of times that we come here and we start these YouTube channels, we have no idea of who we want to pick as an audience. So when we upload our videos, we don't really know what kind of videos that we want to make. So now we're all over the platform. We just have all different kind of videos. And this is going to be really hard for the algorithm here on YouTube to pick and choose who to show your videos to. So know your audience, what kind of audience that you want here on this platform. And hopefully this will help you out when you start creating videos. It's going to be a lot easier. And this is something that I didn't really know, and I didn't really focus on when I first started here on YouTube. I didn't really know who my audience was. I just was making videos. Although I made a lot of tech videos, I didn't know who my primary audience was. And that made it a little harder for my channel to grow. And I think over the years, this is something that I struggled with. And I always had problems with that. So you really have to know who your audience is here on YouTube. So that's the next thing I want to share with you. The next thing is keep learning each and every time you create a video. So when you create a video, you want to get better at each time you create a video, right? So I know you hear a lot of people saying that you have to have at least 50 bad videos or 100 bad videos or 200 bad videos before you get good, but that's not really the case. And you really shouldn't have to make that many videos before your videos improve. Hopefully you're improving each and every time you create a video, because there is a lot of great software out here that help you create your videos. And a lot of the software that's out today, it's pretty easy to use. A lot of it's free and it has a lot of great features in it. So this is something that you really want to get better at as you create your videos. The next thing is stop focusing on the views and subscribers. And I can't emphasize this enough, because we have such a hard time focusing on the views and subscribers that we can't get anything done on this platform. A lot of times we get so wrapped up in the views and subscribers that that's all we focus on. If you have your app on your phone, your studio, YouTube Studio, you're constantly watching your YouTube Studio app to see who subscribed to the channel, to see if you're getting views on your channel. And this is a trap that we all fall in. And a lot of times when this happens, we really get frustrated. And a lot of times we don't even want to create videos anymore, because we feel that we're not getting the recognition that we probably deserve. And it gets a little overwhelming. So I've done this over the years and it's been a really pain in the butt. But after a while, I decided that the views and the subscribers really don't count for me anymore. I'm here because I want to make videos and I want to share certain things with the viewers here on my platform. And this is my primary focus here on YouTube. So if you can do that, it's going to help you out a lot, and it's going to make things a lot easier, because if your videos are getting better and you're providing a lot of value in your information in your videos, you're going to get views no matter what. So I wouldn't really focus on that. I would focus on just getting better, making better videos, and adding a lot of value to your videos. That's going to help your channel out, and it's going to be a lot better for you. The next thing is take YouTube serious. If you want to grow here on the platform, you got to take YouTube serious. If you're coming here thinking it's a game, thinking that you can blow up here on YouTube because you've seen other people doing it, that's not the case. This is something that kind of rarely happens. And if that's the way you're going to have the mindset, then it's going to be really hard for you to get anywhere on this platform. So take YouTube serious. If this is something that you want to start a business and you come in here because you have a business mindset, then you're going to have to take YouTube serious and treat YouTube as a business, because you're going to start earning money on this platform. So you really have to take YouTube serious, and you really have to have a different mindset. And that was one of my problems when I first started. I didn't think of YouTube as a business. But as my channel grew and I got more involved in YouTube, I started earning some revenue on here. Things were a little different, but even then I didn't really stay too focused on thinking YouTube as a business. I was just generating revenue from this platform. But that's a big mistake. You have to treat it like a business. And when you treat it like a business, it'll grow like a business. So that's the next thing. The next thing is just be yourself. Don't copy anybody here on YouTube, because there's a lot of copycats here on YouTube and you don't want to be one of them. When we first come out here on YouTube, we don't know who or what we are. We don't know how we're going to deliver our content. So if we see somebody who's successful here, we're trying to copy them and trying to be like them, trying to talk like them, and just trying to make videos like them. And that's not something that you want to do here on YouTube, because I think everybody should be unique and everybody should have their own style here on YouTube. And once you develop that style, I think it's going to be a lot better for you. And I think it's going to help your channel out a lot. And that's one of my mistakes I did. I tried to be something that I wasn't, in a sense, and it didn't really help me out because I'm not being myself. So that's another thing you have to watch out for. The next thing is stop expecting too much from YouTube. When you expect too much from YouTube, this is something that you're really going to get frustrated, because you're going to come to the platform and you think you're going to, your channel's going to blow up. You're going to create 10 videos and you're going to be successful, and it's just going to go skyrocket from there. But that's not the case. When you come to YouTube, you can't expect too much. It's a slow start for most of us, and most of us are still trying to struggle here on YouTube. And this is something that it's just going to happen. Everybody goes through it. So you're not the first one, and you probably won't be the last one. So don't expect too much when you come here to YouTube. Expect a long haul and a long ride, because YouTube is a journey and it takes a lot of time to actually build your YouTube channel here on the platform. I know you see a lot of YouTubers saying that YouTube is really easy, but that's not the case. YouTube is not easy for everybody, and most of us, we kind of struggle here, and it takes a lot to gain any kind of traction here on this platform. I just want to let you know that. The next thing is, even though your videos are not doing well, show up whenever you can. If it's every day, once, twice a week, just show up, because if you don't show up, you're not going to make it, and your videos are not going to do well, because you need to show up in order to gain any kind of notoriety here on this platform. You got to show up. You got to be able to put in the time and effort into making these videos, because if you don't, you're not going to make it. So this is just something that everybody goes through, and you just got to maybe set up a schedule that you want to make videos. This is something that you can do very easily, depending on what kind of schedule you have. Set some time aside to create your videos, and hopefully this will help you out. So these are some of the things that I've been through over the years. I've been on YouTube for 15 years. I've had a lot of ups and downs. I've seen a lot, but I just want to share this because I hope this information will help you out. If you're starting out, hopefully you'll avoid some of this stuff that I've done. Hopefully this will help you out and you'll be more successful here on the platform. My name is Rob G. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.